benzani bazongkhonza or bazongdumisa. Hallelujah. So now uNkulunkulu uyahamba uyoboleka inqondo or uyoboleka igama eliqalwe uAbraham elithini elithi worship. So uNkulunkulu akusuye uyoqala igama le worship. uAbraham uqala igama le worship, uNkulunkulu waliboleka kuye. Lichaza ukuthini legama elithi worship? In Hebrew legama elithi worship lichaza ukuthi shaka, which means to be prostrate, which means to lie down, which means to bow, which means to offer, which means to sacrifice. Okay. In the Greek, the word worship in the book of in the book of Matthew chapter number 2, verse number 2. La izazi zifika khona zithi uphi ozelwe esibona inkanyezi yakhe avele sizowenzani sizomdumisa. Lelo gama lelo lithi proskuno lichaza ukuthi nayi definition yakhona engichazile ko wonke ama definition. Lithi to worship is going down to a level where you lick and kiss the hand and the shoes of your master.
Come on.
Come on, Papa.
So
come on.
according to the New Testament, worship it's going down to a level where you lick the hand and kiss the shoes of your master. Okay. Aliti, the master will bring his hand in the level of your mouth. But you as a worshipper, you will go down to the level of his hand and kiss his what? Shoes. That is the definition of the word worship in the New Testament. Okay, asambeni.
Fundisa.
Okay, in the English language, bazalwane, khona lento lena esibiza ngama okay.